Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create image to video memes. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and search for the memes that you want to turn into videos. So I've saved these two memes for turning them into videos. Now what I will do is simply open a new browser and navigate to Luma Dream Machine. Now, after navigating to lumalabs.ai, I will see an interface that will look something like this. I've already turned these three memes images into videos. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to lumalabs.ai, click on this small picture icon and select the clip that you want to turn into video. So, this is the meme. I will select it and click on open. Now, you will see the meme opening up here. Simply navigate to the prompt box and type in turn this image meme into a video. After typing in this, you can add additional instructions for whatever you want in your video. For example, if you want a SpongeBob dancing somewhere in the corner, you can add that too. So type in the prompt and click on this send prompt button. After you hit enter or click on send prompt, this will instantly process this image and will turn this image into a meme. As you can see, this is currently in progress. Now, I will show you these three meme videos I've created using the image. As you can see, this is a previous one I've created. I only had the picture and Luma AI created a video using that picture. So you'll have to just wait. And as you can see, Luma AI just turned that image into a video meme. So just navigate to this page, select the image, open it and add a prompt to Luma Labs. After that, you would have successfully created image to video meme on Luma Dream Machine. That's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.